This video will serve as an introduction to our project, including the scope and impact of our work. We will also be outlining how our work has been shaped by industry models, including the National Association of Engineers' Grand Challenges, which outlines 14 grand challenges for engineers to strive to solve to improve the world around us. We have also utilized guidance from the American Society of Civil Engineers' body of knowledge, which outlines critical skills and abilities that professional engineers should strive to develop and improve. Finally, we have also ensured that our project has accounted for standards outside of design codes, including global, social, cultural, environmental, and economic considerations. Knox County requested Wayfinders Engineering to improve the traffic flow along Hardin Valley Road and Pellissippi Parkway. Design services are underway for a new southbound ramp next to Pellissippi Community College and northwest of the interchange of Pellissippi Parkway and Hardin Valley Road. Traffic will be diverted from Hardin Valley Road by eliminating the left-hand turn toward the southbound on-ramp onto Pellissippi Parkway. Traffic will instead turn right before reaching the proposed intersection, then turn right again to head southbound onto Pellissippi Parkway. This project includes redesigning the intersection of Welcome Way and Solway Road and forming a road to connect Solway Road to Pellissippi Parkway. We have divided the work of the project into 4 main focus areas: traffic control and transportation design, geometric design, construction management, and drainage design. This project will alleviate pressure on the intersection of Solway Road and Hardin Valley Road, allowing for easier access to Pellissippi Parkway and a generally more beneficial intersection for users in the area. This will also improve access in and out of Pellissippi State Community College at peak times.
We are taking on the grand challenges defined by the National Association of Engineers. Our focus? To ensure the safety and longevity of our road project to help restore and improve urban infrastructure in Knoxville.
Within our project, we're using 3 principles from the ASCE body of knowledge to guide our work. First, we're ensuring the public's trust that their roadways will be safe and comfortable to drive. Secondly, we're prolonging the serviceability of roadway pavement and infrastructure economically. Finally, we're addressing deteriorating infrastructure and finding areas to improve the community through sustainable and economical designs.
Within our project, our team needs to consider other factors outside of just following predetermined codes. This includes understanding the overall change in local geography, since this project includes severe flattening of a large hill, and how acknowledging the pre-existing environmental conditions in the area to cause the least amount of disruption. Realizing how our project is located near a community college and having easier access to local amenities and how that can improve the interaction of the local community. Also understanding the hierarchy of TDOT versus Knox County standards and knowing how to follow certain formalities of the project is important in creating an efficient and long-lasting project.